If you are a food or product photographer, doesn't matter what you photography, you know the lights is more the most important things in photography. If you know how to work with the lights, how to make more bright your product or more dark the shadows, always your photo will be perfect. And today I use these two bands card, black and white, and show you easy way how to use in your photography when you work with the lights. Let's go. This bands card I bought in a shop, Hobby Craft. You can buy the same online on Amazon. You can order bigger, smaller. If you need really big, you can order the same, the bigger than I have. I use for my photography because I photography food product. I've used that too small. I don't need so big. But of course you can buy the big. And now I show you how I use this card with this product what I prepared today for the shoot. We will be use only one light with the umbrella. What is easy is soft lights. I won't show you on that soft light. And the product I set up on table. Use the blue background because the bottle have the blue stuff here. That is much only, and that was my idea to show easy way the product and how work with these cards. When we photography the product, we're using only one light like you see here. Always we have one side because we don't have lights from this side. If you want to make this more bright, you use this whiteboard. How you see when I put the card close, automatically this part is more bright. If I put more close, will be more bright. When we put far, will be less bright. That's what the white bands card. Always you put this board opposite the direction the lights, because the lights coming on the board and bands on your product. The black bands card is completely opposite. If you want to make shadows more dark, you want to block the lights, you use this black board. I show you how work here this bands card with this product. When we put here the black bands card, you see, as shadows is more dark, straight away the product is more dark. Of course, if you put closer, is more, is far, is more. And this bands card is perfect to make like more dark, more shadows things. You can block the lights the same. If you put the card, you want some effect maybe with shadows or something, you know, you put your bands card and make amazing effect. You can work with that black board. You can buy that big, the bands card like you see. You can buy bigger, smaller. On Amazon you can buy Hobby Craft, the shops here in UK, or something Hobby Craft art shops, something like that. This is nice, good size for me for photography. Product food is perfect. I don't need so big. Sometimes you can buy the smaller dark card. I bought this on Amazon. You can buy the same. One side is white, black, another side is white, and mine is little old. And here I have silver. Like you see, is like, I'm sorry for the condition this card, but I have long time. And this, like you see, I have hole here. I use for my photography when I don't do shining product. I put this here for do the hole for my lens. I put the lens there. When I photography this on shining product, wasn't nothing to see on the product. That's bands card is good to use the same if you photography shining product, but I show you how you use this silver card. The silver card you use the same like white card or black card, the same position you done, put here, and is straight away the lights go on your product. But silver card will be make the lights more cold. If you have a gold, that card will be make more warm, more orange color on the photo. That's the silver or gold card work. You use the same like black and white bands card. Will be change temperature the lights. Silver will be changed for more cold, but the gold card will be changed for more warm. This bands card is really easy to use in your photography. Don't scare to use this. Remember, the white is for the bands, the lights. The black is opposite, make the shadow more shadow and block the lights. You can work with the black to make nice shadow, nice block the lights. Sometimes you want block lights in the back, on front of the product, something. You can put that black board, and believe me, that work is your product more interesting, the shadow looks more interesting the same. Don't cost too much, because this is only like 2-3 pounds and can have that band card. I use many times in my photography, especially the white, the black less, but the white 99% I use when I photography in home, in studio, when I photography in restaurant. I take with me all the time. This is one thing what is always with me when I travel, when I photography something. I hope you learned something new today. You understand now more the shadows and lights and how work with the lights to use only this band card. If you want to know more about how to work with the lights, how to work with artificial lights, how to use the umbrella maybe, you should watch this video. There is more information about artificial light.